Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Emily and my channel is all about memory keeping, so be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss my memory keeping videos. Today I'm really excited to be sharing my week in the life completed album with you. This was a labor of love. Let me tell you, it's quite a bit of work. It's taken me several months to complete, and I'm excited to share it. So the outside cover has this vinyl decal on it. I put a reel on my Instagram showing putting on a ton of vinyl in my foundation pages when I was getting this album ready. I also have vinyl on this inside cover. I'm so proud of how this turned out. It was so much fun. This was a digital that I bought from Ali Edwards and just 2022 written out and like over and over, and I just copied and pasted it over and over in Photoshop, measured it the exact measurements of the inside cover, and then transferred it. You can check out that video on my Instagram if you want to. The same decal is here on this sort of title page. Woof, I just hit the camera. Sorry about that. My plan initially was to put the negative of the outside cover Week in the Life decal, but as I was applying it, I tore it, and I still was dedicated to this idea. So I just printed it out, and I printed it out bigger because I thought why not? This was the foundation page, so you may have already seen this. This was the die cut from the die cut pack, and I just sewed them all together, and it was just, I loved how that turned out. This page is blank, and I don't have any plans to fill it up. I'm calling this album complete, even though it has that half page that is blank. So here is Monday, and I just love how the transparency sits over the photo. This is us in the morning. I just staged this photo of us right as we were getting up. And then for all of these, I kind of follow this formula of using the facts and feelings 4x4 cards, putting on patterned paper on the back of a full page photo. That's sort of the design formula that I follow. And then a lot of the days I made a little fold out. So this fold out is for our morning routine. So starts out with when we get up at 6:45, and then we take a walk at about 6:50, feed the cats when we get back at 7:20, work out around 7:25, takes about 40 minutes, and then eat my breakfast a little after 8, get ready, and then go to work around 8:35. So these were just little photos that I took during our morning. And then this was a foundation page that I made. It's sewn, it felt, it has heat transfer vinyl in that little morning routine that was from the morning story kit. So this is both patterned paper. The one on the left is from the Rainbow Story Kit. I can't remember where the hexagon print is from. It was just in my stash. And then I have a lot of half-page photos. So just more sort of daily life photos. I have so many just like here and there photos of our life. I loved these little day of the week things. And then I have every single day like a half page with that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday decal, and then some days I did news stories on the back. So this was just horrific. This was the Robb Elementary shooting and the aftermath. So, and then here's some photos from my office, photo of making coffee, and some just stories. I got my nails done that day. It was really rainy in Oregon back in June. And then on to Tuesday, kind of following a similar design formula, full page photo, the facts and feelings card on the back. This one I didn't put any patterned paper on because I just kind of liked how it looked black and white. The Tuesday with my journaling, kind of just some random stories. My in-laws came over that day. My sort of fold out for the day was about food. So the food we were eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I loved this photo. My mother-in-law brought her scrapbook over, and it was so much fun to get to go through that. It's really cool that we kind of share that hobby. Well, she's the one who got me into it too. So there's that. And then some of the days I took this little grid page and made little stories, little photos, and told little stories throughout the day. I really liked how that allowed me to get more stories packed in. And then Wednesday, I loved this photo. It was just really nice having breakfast with my in-laws. And then this day, so you'll notice I have deviated from the design formula. And that is because I lost the Wednesday card. I don't know where I put it. So I couldn't find it. So I had this idea for a page swimming around in my head for, I don't know, months. And so I thought, oh, okay, I'll just do the weather from this week and that'll be my Wednesday. I didn't really have much going on that Wednesday anyway. More news, picture of my husband getting ready. This was, Brittany Griner and all of that. My mother-in-law did yoga with us. She worked out with us in the morning, which was really fun when they were here. And then this was a building I used to work in, and they are demolishing it. So that was a story from that week. And my roses were blooming. Just sort of daily here and there stories. There's a picture of me in my office. I highly recommend staging a photo of you working. It's really special. My mother-in-law once told me, like, how many photos do you ever get of yourself working? And the answer is 0, because you're usually not thinking to do that. But I'm really glad I have that picture. Thursday, more patterned paper, kind of back to the design formula. It's kind of busy, but I think it's fun. It's like, who cares? This is my album, and I thought it would be fun to just kind of go a little wild and crazy. So I messed up the printing on this one. So whatever, I reprinted it and just glued it on top. On Thursday, it was the NBA Finals. There's a picture of us walking in the morning, and then, oh my goodness, you guys, you have to look at this. We had a baby deer, and actually they were twins. There were 2 little fawns, and their mama kept bringing them by like multiple times that week. It was so cute. So I got a little picture of him or her, I don't know. More sort of just life stories. Just no really rhyme or reason to the storytelling, just all kinds of things that were going on. And then we made it to Friday. So this is a part of our morning workout. And you have to look at my little cat's face. She's just so cute. I just thought this photo was so fun. So, and I like how it laid. I like how those scripty words lay over the photo. More patterned paper. That night, it was date night. We do a date night one Friday per month, which is really fun. We accidentally walked into a metal show, which was really funny. We were like, oh, live music. And then they started playing, and it was like heavy metal. Not that there's anything wrong with heavy metal, but it was just not, we were not expecting it. So it was kind of funny. Saturday was my friend's bridal shower, so I got to go to that, see some lovely ladies, and yeah, just more facts and feelings cards. And my journaling from Saturday. During the middle of the day, we got to sit outside. It was still so cold. Like, June was such a weird month weather-wise. Like, it just never really got hot. This was a foundation page that I made too. Just all the things that we're reading, or that I am reading, watching, things that my husband also is watching. I didn't really record anything that he was reading, but and then just some more here and there stories, just of our daily routine. This was kind of funny because our cats sleep in a little room, and we let them out, and they're just a blur as they run past in the morning to get their breakfast. So that's what that picture is of. It's very funny. It makes me laugh. And then Sunday, we always do like a quarterly meeting just about like all of our finances and everything. And so that happened to be on that Sunday. And just journaling a little bit about that, and kind of some of the progresses that we've made. It's also chores day, so my husband is an incredible launderer. He does all of our laundry, and I do all of our food, so I help with laundry, so there's proof I was folding something. But so just kind of pictures of us in our chores. And then that's it. That's my album. I really just think this project is so special because there are so many stories in here of just mundane things that I wouldn't think to document otherwise, and I'm so happy that I have them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next video.